How to find and join Roblox voice chat only servers. The first things first is have your Roblox client ready or even try the web version of Roblox. Once accessed, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, if you're going to be using the web version, just simply create another tab or new tab and type in Rolimons. Now choose on Rolimons Roblox, and this is where you should be able to see if there are available servers that you can join that is only for voice. Now hover your mouse to games and go to game catalog for you to be able to know if the game that you're trying to enter or to join has only supported with voice chat. So for example, let's try Blocks Fruits. Click on that, scroll down, and then go to places. Now this is where the indicator will show up. So as you can see, there is no voice mode available for this game. So you just have to look for the game, find it for you to be able to see if that game supports voice chat only. So that's how you find and join Roblox voice chat only servers.